turn around.
Good girl, Riley. Look at you.
Swimming, you turned around. Go to the stairs.
Good job, honey.
I want to try those super
There you go.
Hello, Bobby.
Good job. Swimming all by yourself.
Go ahead, go back and swim to Daddy.
Can you swim to me? You can let go, baby. You'll get float. Come swim to me.
Yeah, she only did that, I think, to just get in the water. Go ahead, baby, swim to Daddy. Yay!
Swimming, swimming. Swimming, swimming. Good job.
Yay! And look at Ryan, no vest.
Oh. You swim back?
Such a big boy now.
Swim back. There you
I'll send this
go.
to Grandma and Grandpa. You want to show them how you do your back float?
Oh, my. Yes, sir.
Backstroke.
Good job.
I like that. I like that one.
There you go.
I like that one. I like that one.
Okay, honey, hold on. Good job, Rye.